So here we have this basil plant, which is Tulsi, and you can see it's grown almost 4 feet, 3 and 4 feet. It has so many white flowers, and then some flowers are already dried, so they are ready to harvest for the seeds, and I am going to harvest the seed today. We'll use these. You can see this is all completely dried, so we'll cut from the bottom part, and then you can see this one is completely dried, so I will collect like this one, and then let me cut. Oh, this is already cut, so we'll leave separate. So it's very easy, and now I will show you where are the seeds here. You can see you have to just rub this one, and then take your hand, little bit rubbing, and then you can see these black small seeds are there, so we can store these, and then you can see these black seeds. These are very good. We can sow this next spring to make more flower, more plants. So you have to just do like this one, and then smash them or rub them to take it out, the black seeds, and it's very easy. So now it's time to cut all these one. I will choose whatever the have completely dried. So that's it. Now you can see I have cut all the brown dried flower, and here I have collected so many, and now it's time to take it out, the seeds, kind of harvesting the seeds. So what I have to do, just do this one, and maybe I will remove all these green part and collect only this brown dried part only. It's very easy. So like this one, and then when I will rub them, you can see small black seeds are coming. You can see these small black seeds are coming. Okay, so let me clean this one, and then I will show you how many I have collected. Now you can see I have collected almost a bowl full of these basil seeds, but still they have some moisture, so I would like to dry them in outside, so that once they will completely dry, I will. And here is important thing, just make sure when you collect, write the exact date, so it will be, you will know how old are these. And you can see some of them still have some moisture, it's not completely dry. So here we have sweet basil seeds, and hope you will enjoy this video.